I suggest that you do this combo where you do the Airwrap, spiral, Airwrap, spiral. And you don't stop in the middle and do this at any point. So you're either in the Airwrap, in the spiral, or transitioning from the spiral to the Airwrap, or vice versa. The first thing before you even try and combine the spiral with the Airwrap is probably to do this. Spiral, to spiral, to spiral, to spiral, to spiral, to spiral, and just practice going back and forth with the spiral. That will help you tighten up the spiral, because I'm seeing right now what's happening is because you don't have like this super tight exit out of it, your poi, like one of the poi is maybe like doing this thing where it starts dragging, which there's no way you can enter a tangle cleanly when the two poi aren't clean. So how are you going to go from this to this, or even the giant, if it's lagging? So I think step one would be spiral to spiral. Let me show you the difference between a tight spiral and a big spiral. And you could just keep trying to do it while I'm doing this. So here's like the tight spiral where my hands are close together like this. But I'm doing a bigger spiral where on exits, I let my hands make a bigger rotation before I enter, and a bigger rotation before I enter, and a bigger rotation before I enter. And that gives you a little bit of time, if your exit isn't clean, or even if your exit is clean, to get into the next one or out of the one that you were in, either way. Okay, and so instead of stopping here for this, just continue around, boom. Continue around, keep it slow, continue around,